Right here, on the border between France and Switzerland, lies the largest science experiment ever built, the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC. It's a 27-kilometer-long tunnel, buried over 100 meters underground, winding beneath homes, businesses, and farms. Inside this tunnel is a massive blue tube containing two pipes that are colder and emptier than outer space. Scientists fire tiny particles, protons, through these pipes in opposite directions at nearly the speed of light. When the particles collide, they create subatomic debris, captured by a detector the size of a building. This monumental project involved over 10,000 scientists from more than 100 countries, took 3 decades to complete, and cost $5 billion. But why go to such lengths? And why are scientists now planning an even larger collider, more than triple its size? I went to CERN, the world's leading particle physics lab, to find out. The LHC is an awe-inspiring feat of engineering. Deep underground, beyond a yellow door, lies the Atlas detector, one of the collision points. It's enormous, yet the actual beam pipes are no wider than an orange. Within these pipes, protons are compressed into a space as thin as a human hair, then accelerated to extraordinary speeds by thousands of magnets. Yet, despite firing 100 billion protons at a time, only about 60 collisions occur per pass. To make progress, the LHC conducts 30 million collisions per second. But again, why smash particles together? The answer lies in our quest to understand the universe. When protons collide, they release incredible energy, which, as Einstein's equation shows, can convert into mass. This process creates exotic, short-lived particles, building blocks of our universe that scientists are eager to study. These particles vanish almost instantly, leaving behind traces that detectors capture. By analyzing these traces, scientists can reverse engineer what happened during the collision, revealing the universe's fundamental rules. This is how, in 2012, scientists discovered the Higgs boson, often called the God particle. It confirmed the existence of the Higgs field, a mysterious, invisible energy field that gives particles mass and, by extension, allows matter to exist. Proving the Higgs boson's existence took decades of theoretical work and advanced technology, culminating in the LHC's construction. The discovery, marked by a subtle bump on a graph, was a triumph of human ingenuity. The LHC has since deepened our understanding of the universe, testing theories and exploring fundamental particles like electrons and photons, yet vast mysteries remain. For example, 27% of the universe is made up of dark matter, an invisible substance we only know exists because of its gravitational effects. Could a larger collider help uncover its secrets? Scientists aren't sure but believe it's worth trying. CERN proposes the Future Circular Collider, a $17 billion project spanning 100 kilometers. Critics argue that it's expensive and might not yield groundbreaking discoveries. Supporters counter that pure research often leads to unexpected breakthroughs. Past CERN projects, for instance, led to medical advances, space technology, and even the creation of the World Wide Web. Investing in fundamental research isn't just about immediate results. It's about expanding our understanding and laying the groundwork for future innovations. Our species' pursuit of knowledge defines us. If aliens ever visited Earth, I'd want them to see the LHC, not as a tool of destruction, but as a monument to human curiosity and ingenuity. This story reminds us that, despite our limitations, we strive relentlessly to understand the universe. Every discovery today paves the way for a future we can scarcely imagine. And that effort, the drive to learn and create, is something we should all take pride in. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to see more stories about science and technology, subscribe to Huge If True. Your support allows us to visit extraordinary places like CERN and bring these stories to life. Thank you, and see you next time.